Today we're in beautiful North Bend City. We're on our way to do a final walkthrough on one of our projects. Come with us.
Hi, my name is Brian Fletcher, and I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about our experiences working with I&E Tile Services. My wife and I live in a house that's 26 years old now, and it became quite evident that we needed to redo our primary, and we were thinking about doing our secondary bathroom as well. As part of that process, we went back to a company in Bellevue that we had worked with when we originally designed our home. At the time it was called Pratt and Larson, and I think today it's called Dwellings, Tile, Stone and Design. And during that process we looked at different colors, different design ideas, and we had asked if they could recommend any installation services that we could contact. And at the time they gave us 2 or 3. But they especially highlighted I&E. They had been receiving great feedback from other customers that had used I&E tile services. So we gave Ivan and Elvira a call. They came out and assessed our requirements, which included new shower tile, new floor tile, a new top for our vanity, and all new fixtures for the shower as well as the faucets and the sinks. So we received a bid. A short time later, we started the process, and it was a wonderful experience working with them. We found that they held to their schedule. They were very flexible in dealing with changes that we were making on the fly without any drama or problems. We found that their skill set was very good, not only with the tile side of it, but with the wood and other things that we needed to do that were part of the overall redo process. We also found that their subcontractors were excellent, and Ivan did a wonderful job coordinating all those activities. The glass for the shower door, the vanity top, the plumbers and so forth. So it was a very easy process to work with because it was all coordinated through Ivan and Elvira. So I just would want to take this time to recommend I&E. Our daughter is living in a home that they just recently purchased. Their bathroom needs to be redone. And of course, I&E was the first that we recommended to them. We've got some neighbors in the across the street that are going to be redoing their bathroom, and we've given a card to them. So it just generally speaking, it was a great experience, and we'd recommend I&E to anyone. So thanks very much.